guy a beep, and I think the rest are on the left hand side. Might have to, oh no, we've got one on here, and then we'll come back down. Engage all the planer and jazz. We'll go to the white lines, go to the white. Oh, I lost my spray mark. Always find white's the best colour to see. I don't like, yellow's good, red is a dreadful colour. Like a dreadful colour. It seems to just go dark straight away. I'm, as we all know, partial to a bit of yellow. Guys coming to have a nose. Oh, sounds like a train, like choo 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 choo. Cutting there. Yeah, cutting through. And that's us done there. Give us a we'll turn the come on, plane, off you go. There we go. Sweep a bit of the edge out first, force it all into the hole. I do need to clean out this bucket because it's just mounted up with sweeper planes. I'll do that when we get 5 fit them in. And we can, yeah, I'll clean the bucket out. Some more patches down this side. I'll have to, I might be able to get them ones actually this side. Sometimes it's easy just turning it around because obviously, you know, I can only go curb edge, left hand side. You can get most of the stuff, to be honest with you. You're only talking about the 10% of the other way. I'm trying to do my best sweeping. Or somebody annihilates me on a video for being a dreadful operator, but I do not profess to be a good operator. Whenever I do all these operator challenges, I usually fail drastically. On the old backer one plant ops, I dropped one of the buckets. Actually, yeah, I dropped one bucket and then the whole bucket went down. It was an embarrassing day. We won't relive that one. Sure, I bet someone's got the footage of it. That'll one day will come out. As maybe if I give somebody jip online like a joke, they'll ruin me and my credentials. So yeah. For the dog to walk past. Don't want to scare the dog. Yeah, we don't want to be sending any dogs nervous breakdown. Oh well, dog's gone. We're just letting the brake work its way down. A little nice flick at the end, probably taken up far too much. I did order a sucker, to be fair, so it should be being delivered today. Rip that one. I'm really going to have to tie this, but clean this bucket out with a shovel. It's just where the wet planings get moured up in it. It's ruddy horrible. Yeah, it's not nice when we get the dry planings fly in and out. But the wet just turns into soft. so bad. There we go. Sweep that up, and then we can move on to the next patches. Spin it around, the plane taking off. I think a load of Ryanair take off today, they said, for the weekend. I imagine here next week will be busy with planes with the bank holiday and all that jazz too. Not too far here. I'll just knock that one out. I hate not smooth edges. I'm just going to knock on like that. Well, just to get it even smoother. There's a lot of water in the end here. Like I say, if you're doing, you know, big patches, you need the water on board. So that's why I make sure I'm full with it. Because we're sweeping up next to an edge there. It's just, there's no edge really. And then we can get on to the next one. Going to dump this in the old tippet. I think we're on the opposite side now, so we do a bit of slowing, speed ourselves up a bit. Put this on here, and then turn the knob to go forward. The lads doing the drainage dips, grips, ditches. Turning up with a Kubota mini digger, so yeah, we can we'll rip these out now. So just coming to have a nosy while the last tarmac up the last patch. There's a few more down there, but there's trucks in the way. People are doing bits, so yeah, thought I'd leave them to it. So yeah, 14 ton over these patches before the surface dressing program continues. Look at that one. Oh, nice. I think I've lost it. No, I haven't lost it. And then yeah, we've got some more big ones where the trucks were, but unfortunately, say we can't have a nosy at them. And I'll turn the camera off down here because while they're working. But yeah, there's the sprider.